X, formerly Twitter statistics, a mixed bag. X, the platform formerly known as Twitter, has undergone some changes, and user numbers reflect that. Here's a breakdown. Monthly active users MAU. Estimates vary, there's no single definitive source. X claims over 500 million MAUs globally, but some third-party estimates are lower, around 368 million. Daily active users DAU. Uncertainty reigns. Since going private, X no longer shares official DAU figures. X claims to have 200 to 250 million daily active users worldwide. But some estimates like Aptopia suggest a lower number, around 121 million. User demographics. US leads the pack. The United States boasts the largest portion of X users, with around 22.92%. Combined with Japan, they make up nearly 40% of all users. Global reach. X still has a global presence, with the US, Japan, UK, Brazil, and Spain contributing to over half 51.85% of the user base. Younger crowd. X skews younger, with the 18-29 age group being the largest demographic at 42% in the US, though gender disparity exists with a higher percentage of male users 26 compared to females 19. Education and income. X users tend to be more affluent and educated, with 29% having a college degree and 29% earning over $100,000 annually in the US.